trying to do in here is obviously pull all the snow out from our little bank here. We leave it so that we can catch the snow rather than all the snow being pushed off by the skiers and into the trees where we can't use it again. I'm having to, because I've got my wing slightly curled in and the blade angled, I need to keep my tiller across a bit more so that it doesn't touch the bank and rip the mats, because if you leave it in the bank there, it eventually wears out the rubber and then your mats rip, and then you don't leave a good finish and you need to replace your mats. So I lock it. It means that this pass doesn't look super good, but yeah, it saves damaging the machine. And then every now and then you just got to twitch the tiller. So it's locked at the moment, so I got to twitch it occasionally to help me climb a bit. If you give the tiller a twitch that way, it helps pull the cat that way. Same with the blade, you can sort of play around with the blade a bit and it helps you climb. Sort of a balancing act with trying to wing as much snow over as you can while keeping the tiller in the right place, while keeping the snow going to the right place and making sure you still have enough traction left over to climb. And I've got the winch, so it's a heavier machine for climbing as well, but good grousers on this thing, so it's not so bad. It's been very, very heavily skied today. It's pretty cold, -6, not super cold, but pretty cold. So everything turns to sugar once we rip through it with the blade. So the more passes up the same runs, the harder it gets to climb. Some of our runs start off wide and then they get narrow in the middle and then widen again, so you end up sometimes doing more passes than it looks like you should, but it's not so bad.